Should be your new motto, dear. We could use these and you could just say, get baked.
Yeah, get baked.
Yeah. Get baked.
Yeah, you gotta get baked.
What's up, guys? We got a special edition episode today. Tell them what it is, dear.
Don't know. But I stopped that video, guys.
Anyway, in today's episode,
we are going to talk about stuff that we're bringing to Jamaica.
No, you gotta say it in Jamaican patois.
In Jamaican patois, why?
Because we need to start representing the culture that we're going to. Stop with this.
Ah, gosh.
Wanna?
Okay, we are going to talk about stuff that we are bringing to Jamaica.
That was pure English. Anyway, yes, we are going to...
Anyway, we are going to talk about...
the Tingdom.
We're going to talk about the thing that we are bringing to Jamaica.
She's broken bad, man. She's been in the U.S. for too long. She can't even
I've
remember her own language.
I've just been in the U.S. for 11 years, man.
That's too long. All right, so what we're going to do, we're just going to break down each item, show you guys what it is, why we're carrying it, where we got it, what we're going to use it for. Stay tuned. Ready?
Stay tuned. Let's get into this business.
All right. Alright, first, most important, maybe not most important, but definitely going to be most used enough, is... What is it, dear?
A bottle opener.
Bottle opener, yes. Heavy duty, made of metal, ready to open some bottles. Because, fun fact, for those not knowing, and for those who know, you know.
He loved to drink Red Stripe beer and he loved Guinness. Not really.
Not really. No, dear. I was gonna. Anyway, before I was really interrupted, I was gonna say you need one of these. Why? Because beer in Jamaica, you actually can't twist it off. All right. Here in the U.S., we got lazy. All of our domestic beverages, we twist them off. But so you need a strong quality opener. And look at the back. You can hang it on the wall. You can hang it on your nose. I don't know, wherever you want to hang it, it's there for you.
Maybe your nose is so pointed it is, just put it on it, we'll hold it up.
Wow, we're getting nose jokes already. Anyway, need one of those, carrying it with, sweet. Next item. Alright, next thing we gotta carry to Jamaica is this thing. This thing right there. Honey, tell them what it is.
No, I do not know. Maybe it's an adapter or a charger, phone and camera or whatever.
Not an adapter, not a charger. Keep going.
Can I see what's in the box?
What? This doesn't open. This is the whole thing.
That's not a box?
No, it doesn't open.
It doesn't open. It's a plug.
It's got a plug in it.
Yeah, but...
Don't worry about what it says.
Yeah, but what this thing for? I don't know what it's for.
What do you think it's for?
The plug. I don't know. What's for?
Honey, we're losing viewers. Go.
What is for?
This, my friend, is a 5 terabyte external hard drive.
Well, if you don't tell me, how am I going to know?
Okay, hold on. Let's tell her, and then she can tell me all about it. Ready? Honey, it's a 5 terabyte external hard drive.
What?
Exactly.
You're talking fast. So it's like
it is a 5 terabyte external hard drive.
A 5 terabyte external.
Not a terabyte. A terabyte. Do you know what that is?
Terabyte.
Do you know what it's for?
For whatever you want. With your computer or your...
Yes, you can use it with a computer, but it's basically an external hard drive, which means that if you've got pictures, videos, you store it on here. Light bulb moment. Do the light bulb.
No. There's no light bulb.
Oh, there will be a light bulb. CGI effects coming soon. Get your 5 terabyte external hard drive. Make your videos. Post your pictures. Save your stuff. It's for us, dear.
So save a lot of stuff on it.
5 terabytes. You know how many gigabytes that is?
No.
I want to say 999 and one more, like 1,000 gigabytes. Yes. You know how many gigabytes a megabyte? No, I'm not even getting started. 5 terabyte hard drive. Next item. All right, honey, take it away. What do you got?
You can go in a toaster oven as well.
Whoa, what is it? You got to show the people.
Oven safe, microwave safe, and freezer safe.
What? That's a lot of safe. What is it, dear? Show the people. Honey, look at the camera. You got to turn the thing so they can see it.
Oh, yeah. I'm supposed to turn the thing on and hide my face.
Perfect.
Yeah,
yes,
I hide my face.
Beautiful.
Okay.
And tell them all about it.
So, I found this at Costco, and I think I did want this a long time. So I find it and I bought it. And it
Her
just
money.
said, yeah,
right?
No. Our money, remember?
Our money.
Said.
It's beautiful. What is it?
You're messed up.
You just figured that out now?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it?
It's a 3-piece mat.
It's a silicone baking mat.
Yeah. So
It
you can
slices,
bake on
it dices.
You can do whatever on it. You can put it in a microwave. You can use it in the oven. You can use it in a toaster oven, and you can also. It's also
and you can
freezer
put it in the
safe.
freezer.
Yeah.
BPA free and PFOA free. I don't know what that is.
I don't know neither.
Okay, Google. What does PFOA stand for?
PFOA.
Google sleep me. Oh. Oh my. It stands for something, something, something acid. So, free of that. Fantastic. Thank you, Google. It's going to be great. She's going to bake like there's no more baking.
I'm not really a baking person, but I love to bake stuff if I'm in the mood. But
she loves to get baked.
You're trying to run out.
Yeah, you see what I did there? Wow. Anyway, next item.
I can't, not even ready. I gotta
It's your
know
turn.
what I'm gonna say.
Show them the stuff. This is your woman's stuff.
This is woman's stuff. This is our men's stuff as well.
Show the camera. Show the camera. I mean, the camera's over here.
Okay, this is a 4 stoneware bowls. 4-piece. I got it from. I win it at work. Anyway, as a present, so I'm bringing it to Jamaica. Yeah,
microwave safe.
I think I didn't want on it, but anyway, I win this, so it's good. So,
not for oven use.
So this is what I'm gonna bring.
Hey, look, it says dishwasher safe. Dishwasher. What's that? You see the dishwasher right there?
We ain't gonna get no dishwasher.
I got a dishwasher.
You gotta wash your own plate.
Yeah, we'll leave that one in the box because we don't need to spend 10 minutes trying to put it back. But beautiful. Yeah. Show them. It's beautiful. It's designed. It's microwave safe. It's not for oven use. And caution: ceramics may get hot in the microwave. Handle with care. Not that this is heavy. You're gonna carry this yourself. This is going in your luggage.
Yeah.
Anyway, while she tries to figure out how to get stuff in and out, let's go on to the next item. Alright, in keeping with functional items, next item up is the Air Mesh 2000, size large, for now. Yes, this is sun protection, UPF 40, excellent UV protection in black and in blue, long sleeve, breathable. Why do you need this, dear?
Jamaica is very humid and you sweat a lot, so you need dry fit clothes to wear sometimes. For you! Anyway.
Yes.
Not for me.
To see the color of the skin, it's going to turn bright red lobster if I don't wear stuff like this and wear on some sunscreen. Somebody here doesn't like to put on sunscreen or wear sun protection. I won't mention any names or pointy fingers.
You're pointing on me. It's not. I do not wear sunscreen. I don't wear. Matter of fact, I do not wear. But I do not wear.
She does not wear what she doesn't wear. Anyway.
I go natural. I don't wear.
She's all natural. No makeup, no sunscreen.
Aren't you talking about the product then
yes,
that you're bringing? Why are you talking
anyway, so before I was really interrupted, I need one of these, and hopefully it holds up nice and well, and I'm not gonna burn. Yay!
I hope so too.
Yay!
You might want something for your face.
You might want something for your face.
No, I don't need that for my face.
Next up, getting a little eclectic, if you will, a little homage to the rural world. We are going, because sometimes electricity does not exist and it goes out and in and out again. Shout out to my JPS people. Yeah, you know who you are. We have the manual burr coffee grinder, in air quotes. It's a high-grade ceramic conical burr for perfect consistency and precision every time. I didn't even open this yet. Oh, look at that handle, made of metal. What is this? Whoa, that's right, high grade coffee grinder. Even tells you, shows you what's grounded. Some assembly and directions are going to be required. Nice, appreciate it. Going to be grinding some coffee while we're there, and don't worry, there's directions inside. Get yourself a high-grade coffee grinder and free 12-ounce bag of coffee and small shipping fee as a special welcome to the Java Press family. Thanks, Java Press. Enjoy your high-grade...
Did you get any coffee yet? No.
No, I didn't get any coffee yet, so gonna need one of these. Alright, you can't have a coffee bean grinder without a amazing coffee maker. This one's by Gvoti, not sponsored by the way. However, if you need a sponsored video, you call me. I'm taking this one out. I'm taking it out of the box. We'll put it back.
That one
Make
to
kitchen great again. Here we go. Don't break it. Yes, it is made of glass. I'm worried it will break, but the nice thing about this little guy is it comes with its own reusable filter. Fantastic. Put your beans in, get your hot coffee, pour it over just like that after you put them in the grinder.
So where you put hot water on the stove to make in a kettle, and then you
just pour it over the beans.
Okay.
Yes, and then you pour it into your cup, you sit on your veranda, you throw on your reggae music, and we call that a Monday. Or a Tuesday, or a Wednesday, or a fun day, or a Sunday. It even has a nice measurement. 1 cup, 2 cup. This will make up to 3 cups. I might even share. You're welcome. Let's try it out and let's make sure it doesn't break before we get there.
Or you put socks in it and stuff with socks and then wrap it. Yeah, clean socks so you know we're going to stinky foot. And then
we'll get it there. If it doesn't show up in one piece, you're going to find out. Next episode. Next item. This is for me. Fee me. For me. Not fee we. Fee me. You know what it is?
A footwear.
Flojo's. Count it. Flojo's footwear. Size 11. That's right.
His foot is big.
You know what they say about guys with big feet? Big socks. Although I won't need any socks because we're wearing sandals. That's right. We got to work on our sandal tan. Make sure it gets nice and beautiful. But they're also nice and rugged and rough, and they're brown. Tan. They're tan. Yeah. This product complies with all U.S. consumer product safety standards. Thank goodness. Nice, durable set of sandals. Gonna need them because I don't plan on wearing shoes. You wearing shoes?
I don't have a clue what I'm doing.
No clue. Shocker. No clue alert.
I wear anything in Jamaica. I go barefoot. I go shoes on. Or
shoes barefoot? Sandal foot? You call it sandals or slippers?
Slippers.
Yeah, so slippers.
They call them slanders.
Slanders?
Okay.
Slippers. Slippers, sandals, flip-flops, flappy flips, whatever. Need them, got them, awesome, enjoy them. Ha! Alright, not gonna lie, this next one, a bit of a splurge. Got it on sale at the good old Costco, and super excited about throwing it in the living room, Sonia's adult living room, because there happens to be 2 lights on the sides of the living room, so this is gonna work perfectly, hopefully. Tell them what it is, dear!
It's a LED light.
It's a LED light. LED.
It comes smart Wi-Fi, LED light, whatever.
This is the smart Wi-Fi LED wall sconks lights. You know what a sconks is?
Skunk?
Sconks.
You think it's skunk?
No, kind of like that, but this is a sconks. Sconks? Sconce. Sconce. Comment down below how to say it. Sconce? Sconce. That's my Minnesota old. Sconce. Don't you know?
Spongy.
Spongy. Anyway. This is, not gonna lie, pretty awesome. Gotta get there in one piece. It's got several different colors, obviously, to choose from. And you can even tap it into your Wi-Fi so that you can access it from your smartphone and change the colors. A bit over the top, not gonna lie, a bit fancy, but we got a house that's getting painted and renovated, and the house isn't gonna be beautiful without a couple skunks on the wall to be able to get us. So this is the 2-pack, color changing, tunable, fully dimmable, brushed aluminum finish, and no bulb to replace. Supposedly lasts 50,000 hours. Whew. So super excited about that. Can't wait to get that up at the house and create the mood. She's thrilled.
Yeah, I am.
Sconces.
You know that.
Woo!
You know what?
You're supposed to be sitting up. You're supposed to be sitting up.
You know I don't like to sit up.
Yeah,
no,
I know.
I do not like to sit up because it's uncomfortable.
Oh, I know. Having good posture is horrible. It's so uncomfortable. I'd rather slow down. Look at me now, man. I want to sit like you.
Well, if I decided I'm more better, but you say sit down, so me just sit down.
Okay, the next one, should we stand? You want to stand for the next one?
If I just stand up by in the kitchen, I'm more better, but you say, oh, let's go sit in the low couch.
Yes, and
sit.
Sit
long in the couch.
Look how beautiful you look. Smile. Aww. That smile doesn't work on me. That smile doesn't work on me. I've been there too long. I got the t-shirt. It's all good.
No smile ever work on you. It's stupid.
Isn't she great? Next item.
I told her to leave that here. Still can't pick up a car, go to Jamaica, go to what I do.
See, look, I can cover her up. Perfect. Yes.
Sea salt.
This is not just any sea salt. This is Kauai Salt Pond Sea Salt. Look at the fancy packaging. That's right. This sea salt traditionally is not even sold. You cannot buy Salt Pond Sea Salt. It is gifted from people for other people, and therefore we gotta carry it to Jamaica. It's amazing. It's salty, just like my wife.
You have jokes on you. Whatever.
Yeah, so...
Oh, you know I'm salty. You ever taste me?
That's not appropriate, dear. I'm talking about your attitude. Anyway, yes, we're carrying some Kauai sea salt. Gonna show all of the fam and friends back in Jamaica what some Kauai sea salt's all about. Gonna enjoy it, and it's coming with, right?
I guess you are bringing it with, not me. You're putting your own luggage.
Oh great, it's one of my luggage. Alright, stay salty.
Yes, yes, I'm gonna stay salty. Not like the pepper Peter give me and it turn over and I'm a suitcase and pepper up all my clothes.
That's another story for another time, dear. Could you at least just reach for the next item?
No, you can't get above your butt and go get the next item. So,
just so everybody's aware, I make the videos, I do all the advertising, I beautify myself for this. The one thing I asked her to do is just reach for the next item. And what do I get?
I'm just supporting you. I'm just like, yes.
So supportive.
Yes.
You feel that? You feel that? It might be gas, but do you feel it?
I don't have to be here. You know,
you're right. There's the door. Can you please get the next item?
There's a door.
Can you please
get the
door? Right, I'm about to.
The door too.
We're really gonna play the race thing now. Wow. Speaking of bright, on the notes of skunks, we have. Honey, look at the picture. Honey, look at the picture.
What's the picture?
Ah, it's the more LEDs, dear.
Yeah. String light though. This one is a string light.
This one on sale at the Costco, 48 feet of LED lights. Gonna look beautiful in the back game room. Or
you say you're gonna put it on the veranda, why is it game room or whatever?
We haven't decided yet. We'll see when we get there. As long as they get there
in one
piece or 48 pieces and not anymore. But super stoked about these lights. I've seen them up at other people's places. They look awesome. Gonna be great for the evening time out on the veranda with your coffee and some tunes, and super excited about this. So yes, only 24 watts per set. Whoa, commercial grade. Come on, veranda lights or game room. Stay tuned.
But if you put them in a game room, there is no light gonna be. It's not gonna have sun to come in to it get lit. Get
lit. That's another one of get baked and now you can get lit. Honey, you got all these great sayings. We're gonna make t-shirts. Yes. Fiery, get baked, and fiery, get lit. Original material right there. Where do you come up with that? Wow. Wow.
No. It just come up.
It's just.
Yeah.
Should I give you another light bulb? There's a light bulb above your head.
Yes, light bulb up later on, I know.
The light's out. Alright, last but not least, on a serious note, we are headed back to Jamaica. You might have noticed on the house there are grills on every window, every door. It's an unfortunate cultural, what do you want to call it?
Most houses in Jamaica has grill, most houses don't.
Yes, so our house fully grilled, but we also are acknowledging the fact that we want to be responsible as well. So what we have purchased is the Arlo something Pro 4 XL Spotlight Camera Security Bundle. Great thing about these is they are do not require wiring. They're all external and Bluetooth orientated. Just hooks right up to your internet and you've got cameras all around the house. For security purposes, it's just one of those things we try to be aware of and try to be conscious of. And I think everybody should at least be acknowledge the fact that we want to be safe, we want you to be safe, we want everybody to be safe. But this is one of the items that's going to help keep us safe.
Kinda, not necessarily.
Not necessarily, but it
if
doesn't.
You're gonna depend on these to keep you safe, then good luck. That's all I can say about it.
Good luck. Well, yeah. I think it's going to help.
All you gotta do is just.
And we want the best for everybody, and we hope everybody hopes the best for us. But at the end of the day, it's just a security measure that we think is important to have. And so, thank you, Arlo, for that. Pretty affordable. It was on sale at the old Costco as well. And so we look forward to trying it out, getting it set up.
Other thing is, maybe if you're not home or somebody come by your house and asks you your thing and you're not there, then you can't see footage that somebody was there or whatever.
That's all. And again, we want everybody to be safe. We want to be safe. Yeah. So, cool. Alright, dear, we showed them. That's the first 11 items for the house. Super excited because we're not shipping anything to the house.
You can't ship from here, but it's more expensive.
You're right. We are carrying 2 suitcases each and a carry-on and each other. And that's it.
Yeah, you can ship stuff from here, but it costs more.
Yeah, and we want to also, that's another thing to talk about real quick. Thank you for staying tuned. People are like, oh, you should buy stuff here and ship it, you should buy stuff here, and because it's going to be cheaper. One thing we also want to focus on is the local economy in Jamaica. Yes, it might be a little bit more expensive, but we feel it's important to also support the locals and the local economy as we're going to be living there. And so I don't mind paying an extra price for certain items simply because, people in Jamaica have a right to earn a living as well, and we shouldn't try to bypass that just because we think we can get it for cheaper here and then ship it down or carry it with us. So we are bringing a limited amount of items for that reason, and are glad to be able to support the local culture as well. Anything to add before we wrap up the video?
I would like to go back to Jamaica just to buy from all of people in there.
Yeah, there's some great.
And whatever.
and
I have
the
some
friends
nice
that you
shiny
have.
friend there too, and that I leave. That was my good friend. Yeah.
And it's important to help support them too.
Yeah, and although they're not from there neither, but whatever.
But they're living there now.
Yeah, they live there and things, so I just gotta back support them and my other people them that's there that need help and support as well.
Nice. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. That's our first haul. We'll have some more hauls coming up. And stay tuned to this Sunday special. Every Sunday, in case you haven't figured it out, we do updates on the house in Jamaica. Some crazy things going on. You might have seen last Sunday's episode. They overhauled the backyard, cut down, chopped down, took down, and yeah, some awesome things progressing from there. So look forward to showing you guys that. Have a great week. Thanks for tuning in. And you want to give them the like, share, subscribe thing? Thumbs up.
What is it? Like, share, and subscribe.
Let's do it together. Please. On 3.
Thank you.
Ready? Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. And like, share, subscribe
to our channel.
Please.
Please, and thank you.
And thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. See ya.
Bless up.
Bless up. What would you say in Jamaican? And big up everybody who's staying tuned with us.
Yeah.
And enjoying the journey. And this one over here.
And this one over here.
And this one over here. Bye guys.
Bye.
See ya. You're doing great, dude. Did I ever tell you how great you're doing?
Yeah, I'm doing very great.
Yeah, you're talking so much. Note to self, if you take things out of a package, make sure you know how to put them back.
I got someone on the what's up in a package and then take you out.
Or if you take someone out of the country, make sure you know how to put them back.
You want to go back to Jamaica?
I know, right? Anyway.
Bye guys. Bye. Bye.
Can I turn it off?
Bye.